Fort Benning is the largest military installation in North America. Just recently became the Maneuver Center of Excellence. It's about 250 square miles of property. It has about 120,000 people that either live there or work there on a daily basis. Back in the late 90s, the utility took over all of the infrastructure lighting on post, which was predominantly HPS.
The base itself wanted to reduce their energy footprint, as most government agencies do. The utility that's responsible for the outdoor lighting system wanted to reduce their maintenance requirements. So it complemented what both of them were trying to achieve.
So we really lead the industry in providing infrastructure solutions for any number of different uses.
The breadth of Acuity brand's product line allowed us to offer solutions for every single requirement that the base had.
AVPL2 Colonial LED lanterns replaced existing 175-watt HID luminaires in residential areas, providing an attractive daytime form and enhancing pedestrian and vehicle safety on residential streets. HMAO LED 2 luminaires were installed at intersections and interchanges, providing access to the interstate that passes through Fort Benning. Mongoose LED luminaires were used for parking areas to reduce 400-watt high-pressure sodium fixtures. Acuity brand's LED technology provides even, consistent, full-spectrum light and reduces maintenance costs significantly. Autobahn series luminaires were installed along roadways, replacing 250-watt HPS Cobra head fixtures. Autobahn luminaires were also installed at armed checkpoints, where crisp, clear lighting is critical to security. Predator LED luminaires replaced 1,000-watt HPS floodlights to illuminate motor and tank pools. Fort Benning and Flint Energies experienced energy savings of over 60% following this conversion.
Fort Benning and Flint Energies also incorporated our roam control system on all the outdoor fixtures. Areas where you may have a deployed unit and the entire section of the base is not active for months on end, they can dim it down significantly during night as well. But all that can be done from the comfort of somebody's office and with just a few mouse clicks.
This is just icing on the cake when they combine roam. Not only are they cutting additional electricity, but they're able to save their work crews hours upon hours of looking for problems within the system.
Fort Benning's forward-looking, proactive approach to all of their outdoor lighting has virtually developed a template for other high security and military bases to follow. Heavy lifting's already been done as they put a template in place to meet or exceed the needs of a high security environment or military base.
Thanks to its breadth of products and proven track record, Acuity Brands is the clear total lighting solutions partner for any high security lighting project.